Let's make cake pops. Bake a cake and let it cool completely. Cake mixes work great for this. Take half of it and break it up into small crumbs with clean hands or wear gloves. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of frosting. Mix with clean hands or wear gloves until you have a nice Play-Doh consistency. Scoop a little over a tablespoon of cake and roll it into a ball. Then place it on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Melt chocolate or candy quick in the microwave using bursts of 30 seconds and stirring, or use the double boiler method on the stovetop. Dip a treat stick in the chocolate, then into the cake ball and push it about halfway down. Smooth the chocolate out if desired. Leave on the pan or stick it in styrofoam. Chill 10 to 15 minutes. Dip the cake ball in the melted chocolate. Tap the stick to allow any excess chocolate to drip off. Then chill again so the chocolate can set. If you like, drizzle on a different flavor of melted chocolate. Let the design set before serving. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.